thing to see ads, and if I bought wrong thing or faulty thing, it helps me.
Okay. So what will you do if you buy a faulty thing?
I go to consumer court and complain that the product is faulty and the shopkeeper not exchange it.
Okay, great. So Misbah, can you tell me something about your class values?
Class fellows. My best friend is Sania. She's very intelligent, but
Values.
values. Our class values is empathy.
Okay. What is empathy?
Empathy. Can I tell in Hindi?
Yeah, and then you can tell me in English also.
एम्पैथी जब हम किसी और को अपनी जगह रख के सोचते हैं.
Okay. Can you say the same thing in English?
We replace someone and place our own self,
Okay. And then what happens?
and we can feel their feelings.
Okay.
Our class value is also respecting.
What is respect?
Respect to obey our elders, and class value is
Only elders?
no some small childs and our friends also.
Okay.
And our class values are care for others, help them, and
Okay. Can you give me an example of when you have shown empathy?
empathy. Once my class fellow Sania and I our friendship is breaking, and Sania show empathy that Misbah how feels when I scold her. So,
Okay. And what about you outside your classroom?
outside my classroom,
Example of when you have helped someone.
yes, one time I crossed a road and I see a poor bhikari and I give some rupees to him.
Okay. Awesome. So which value is the most difficult?
Most difficult to sacrifice for someone.
Why is it difficult?
Why it is difficult? Because sometimes situation is like that we cannot sacrifice for someone. That is very difficult.
Have you done that?
No.
No. What do you think you can do to build that?
To build that, once my mummy is admitted in hospital, so my dad has also bad condition, but she cared for my mummy and forgot by himself. She sacrificed for my mother.
Okay. And how can you do the same? What will you have to let go of?
If Didi give me some opportunity, I don't like it and give to someone.
Okay. Have you done that before?
Once
When?
Didi